Hello friends, today we will study third fundamental right, that is right to exploitation, which comes under Article 23 and 24. As in my previous video we studied article number 14 to 18 and 19 to 22 of right to equality and right to freedom respectively. So now let us start article number 23, and in this video there are many other act we will discuss regarding which is complementary to right to exploitation, so right against exploitation. So let us start this video. And article 23 prohibits traffic in human being, begar, that is forced labor, and other similar form of forced labor. Friends, begar here means not, it is not a bhikhari, which you know that begar means bhikhari. Begar means a forced labor. What is the ground for that forced labor we will discuss in this video itself, so be with me in this video. So now, any contravention of this provision shall be an offense punishable in accordance with law. This rights is available to both citizen and non-citizen. It protects the individual not only against the state but also against the private person. It means, friends, as in my previous video I already given you a data in which of the article will come under only for citizen of India and which for both citizen and foreigner. So if you not watch that video, then you can go and search my video in my video section. And according to above statement, our article number 23 prohibits the human trafficking and forced labor. And according to article 23, it is a punishable offense, and it is available for both citizen and non-citizen. It protect individuals not only against the state but also against private person. Means that, friend, it is not only the state. If any private person is also violating this fundamental right, then it is also a punishable offense for that private person. The expression traffic in human beings include, what is this human trafficking, friends? Firstly, let us discuss on this word, that is human trafficking. Includes selling and buying of men, women, and children like goods. It means that, friend, selling or purchasing any man, woman, or children like a goods, that we are human beings, we are not a goods. But if you are purchasing it like a goods, then it is a bad thing. It comes under human trafficking. Second, immoral traffic in women and children, including prostitution. It means that, friend, trafficking of women, children, or including prostitution, it is also a illegal act according to Article 23. Devdasi, as you know, in South Indians there are few ladies known as Devdasi who used to as a servant to the priest in that area. So that was also banned under this article. Slavery. So these are the four grounds. If you want, you can underline all those points. Like it means, friend, sale purchase of human being, whether it is a prostitution, devdasi, or slavery, all is banned under this article. To punish these acts, the parliament has made the Immoral Traffic Prevention Act 1956. See, the person who are doing this kind of scene will be punished under Immoral Traffic Prevention Act 1956, which is made by Parliament in 1956. This is also a good act. You must have to remember this for your exam purpose. The term begar means compulsory work without remuneration. It was a peculiar Indian system under which the local zamindars sometimes used to force their tenant to render service without any payment. It means that begar means not it is a bhikhari. Begar means you forced any person to work and you did not pay them. This is called begar. So Our in our peculiar Indian system earlier very time, if we go many decades back, we saw that local zamindars used to force their tenant to do any service without any payment. In addition to Begar, Article 23 prohibits other similar form of forced labor like bonded labor. The term, it means friends ki that bonded labor is also prohibited according to this act. The term forced labor means compelling a person to work against his will. The word force includes not only physical or legal force but also force arising from the compulsion of economic circumstance, that is working for less than minimum wages. It is not only the forced labor, it does not mean that you are forcing anybody as physically or legal force, but it also means that if somebody is working and you are not paying them the minimum wages or you are paying less than that, then it also comes under forced labor. In this regard, there are four acts made in support of this. In the Bonded Labor System Abolition Act 1976, the Minimum Wages Act 1948, the Contract Labor Act 1970, and Equal Remuneration Act 1976 were made in support of Article 23. So, firstly, we underline these acts. You must have to remember these acts. Article 23 provides for an exception to this provision. See, this is the protection of forced labor, but Article 23 also have few exceptions, like it permits the state to impose compulsory service for public purpose, as for example military service or social service, for which it is not bound to pay. It means that friend, if state wants, there is compulsory service for public purpose or any social service done by military or any other government employees. So it depends on state that whether they want or they not. uh, it is not compulsory for them to follow it, because see, if military or police person or armed force will not do a social service, then who will do? So it comes under the power of state that if they want or if they not want, it totally depends on them, and it is the exception to the Article 23. However, in imposing such service, the state is not permitted to make any discrimination on ground only of religion, race, caste or class. Yes, government can force any military person or any social service without paying, but they cannot discriminate on the ground of religion, race, caste or class. It means that they cannot discriminate anybody, but yes, they can order them to do any work or any service, whether with pay or without pay. It depends on state, but it is not for citizen, a normal citizen of India. This is only for a departmental person, not for a normal citizen. So this is all about article number 23, and article number 24 we will watch it in our next video of regarding article number 24, which is prohibition of employment of children in factories. So thank you for watching this video, and if you want to watch my article 24 video, then see my next video.